The reason I got into THC beverage education was for a situation that I saw actually play out this week, and it was so disheartening. I was at the dentist office getting a regular teeth cleaning, and I was talking to the nurse, and I was telling her how I do THC beverage education. And she proceeds to tell me how there was another nurse in the office who went to the liquor store to just pick up regular alcohol products. And there was a sampling taking place from a THC beverage company. And the woman knew that these drinks were really popular, so she decided to purchase a few from the brand. She left with several cans of 25 milligram products, and she does not have cannabis experience. So based on my recommendation, that would be about 20 milligrams higher than I would have suggested she start. She didn't have that information available. So she gets home, she proceeds to drink it, starts to feel the effects, fortunately stops, goes to sleep, and the rest is history. However, that was not before she had already given another can to another nurse in the office who didn't have that information either, and proceeded to drink the entire can and have a very unpleasant experience. I cannot encourage all of us more to get education out into the world, because we are far from society knowing what these drinks are and how they affect us and where to start. Also, if you are looking for more education for yourself or a team of people, I also have a course called Cannabis Beverage Certification. It's at cannabiscertification.com. It is a 2-hour course that goes through the history, agronomy, manufacturing, processing, even talks about the differences of alcohol and THC and the different THC consumption methods. And this is a phenomenal course that can help educate yourself and teams and really ensure that we are spreading good information for the safety of consumers. So please just know that we all need to do our part and continue to spread the word so that people are having safe experiences and we don't find that there is any situations out there that occur from misinformation.